Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. You must remove the wheels in order to change the rear shock absorbers on your car. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Brush the screw of the shock absorber base and spray it with degreaser. With a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the lock nut holding the lower part of the shock absorber. Then, using a ratchet and an 18mm socket, loosen and remove the top mounting screw. You can now extract the shock absorber.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and the hydraulic fluid are separated. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Position the shock absorber and put the upper holding screws in place. Position the shock absorber and put the lower fixing screws in place. Screw it back in until it makes contact. In order not to damage the silent blocks, it is necessary to tighten the retaining bolts with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the rear axle with a jack. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You will then be able to take off the jack. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. You will then be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.